Last year, nearly 35% of Americans did not visit a dentist. According to a Gallup poll released earlier this year, we're going to talk more about that and the opportunity it presents when we return. In 2013, Gallup asked 178,000 Americans whether they visited a dentist in the past 12 months as part of their big well-being index. This mirrors a 2008 survey that they did the same thing on. Here's what they found in 2013. 64% of Americans visited the dentist. That's statistically 1% less than 2008. And the same holds true for women. 67% of women saw a dentist in 2013 compared to 67% in 2008 as well. Men, on the other hand, went to the dentist less than before and dropped services. For 2013, 62% of men saw a dentist compared to 63% in 2008. Now, of course, lots of factors contribute to these numbers, but for our purposes, we will say that the numbers have changed little in the last 5 years. So let's just say the status quo is that 35% of Americans don't visit the dentist every year. On the other hand, 65% of people are seeing the dentist. You need to figure out how to get more of them to come see you. Rather than poaching existing patients with roughly 250 million adults in the United States, the 35% who didn't see a dentist in the last year, that's a pretty big group of prospects. So if you're not getting new patients, it's not because they're not out there. It's not because you're losing them to your competitors. It's because no one has convinced them to choose seeing a dentist over doing nothing. At the end of this series, we'll talk more about ways to do that. Come back tomorrow, and I'm going to break down the numbers by ethnicity and age. Until then, keep moving forward.